Extended side angle pose or Utthita Parsvakonasana in Sanskrit is a standing pose that's often sequenced in between warrior poses. From Warrior 2, the yogi leans their torso toward their bent leg and reaches their arm in line with the torso. The pose provides a deep stretch to the groin and hamstrings. Begin in Tadasana. Inhale, hands at the hips, drop a hip down. Exhale, rock for step back, 3.5 feet to 4 feet apart. Turn your left leg and foot outward 90 degrees so your toes point to the top of your mat. Inhale, raise the arms up and keep it at shoulder level. Keep it on top of your legs. As you exhale, bend your left knee until your left thigh is parallel to the floor. And if necessary, you may need to widen your stance. Turn in your right toes slightly. Align the heel of the left foot with the arch of your right foot. Keep your back leg straight. Keep your torso open to the right. Do not turn your body in the direction of your left leg. Exhaling, lower your left arm so your forearm rests on your left thigh. Reach your right arm towards the ceiling and then extend your arm over the top of the head. The top hand fingers should be reaching in the same direction your front toes are pointing. Keep your chest, hips, and legs in one straight line. Extend over your front leg. To deepen the pose, lower your front hand to the floor, placing your palm next to the inside arch of your front foot. For a deeper chest and shoulder opening, place your front hand on the outside of the front foot. You can also rest your front hand on a yoga block. Turn your head to look towards the top hand. Keep your throat soft and your breathing smooth. Relax your face. Make sure your front knee does not drop inward. Keep your front thigh axially rotated and your knee draw slightly toward the baby toe of your front foot. Press firmly through the outer edge of your back foot. To release, press firmly through your back foot. Inhale, spine up. Exhale, hands at the hips. Inhale, straighten front knee. Exhale, the back foot draw in. Hip chest facing the front. Inhale, step to the front. Exhale, hand aside, back to Tadasana.